Hello viewer, welcome back to my KTP Low Content channel. Today I want to discuss about 10 KTP 10 job niche list for KTP and pod market. I mean I'll discuss 10 job niche list for KTP and pod market like t-shirt. You have to design it. So there is a KTP and pod 10 job niche list here. The first of all, dance instructor, and second one is design engineer, third one is detective, and fourth one is digital marketer, and sixth is diver, seventh is driving instructor, and eighth is ecologist, and entertainment manager, EPD, myologist, aesthetician. So there is a 10 job niche list, and you can find out with the help of 10 job list. You can find out very profitable and micro niche for KTP and pod market. So first of all, I can share with you how to find a micro niche with the help of a job niche. So now we search Amazon KTP Marketplace, dance instructor, dance instructor, dance instructor like logbook, planner, notebook, journal, etc. Here we can see 1000 search results. Dance instructor logbook. There is already published dance instructor client data logbook, and the book size is 6 into 9 inch, and book published already January 2022. Here we can find another niche, dance class attendance record book. So in this here also we find dance class attendance record book. In this way you will find micro niche for KTP market and pod market with the help of job niche. Here is driving instructor, driving instructor, driving instructor, driving instructor t-shirt. Here you will find out driving instructor t-shirt, best driving instructor ever, driving instructor, best driving instructor ever. So you can easily find out your profitable niche with the help of various type of job niche list. So this job list will help you more to find out profitable niche. So if you have liked my videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell icon so I can actually share with more niche, more ideas that is help you to build up a KDP self-publishing business. So please like, comment, and share my video. Thank you so much. Thank you all.